Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome on behalf of Saturday Gorman Partners. Thank you all for coming. 1.5 is the start there at 1,500,000. At 2,100,000, your bid there now at 2,001,000. At 2,475,000 and selling. At 2,500,000 even now's the bid. At 2,561,000. At 2,615,000. First call selling. Second call. Third and final hammer rising and selling. At 2,635,000. Going. Congratulations, there you go. Well, it's another great result by our Gorman Partners, of course, and no doubt very happy sellers. What a great campaign by our Gorman Partners to attract this many buyers. There's no doubt when it comes to selling, dealing with someone like Megan Thomas and Anthony Gorman will get you the optimum result.